metrics on pallet 7 look stable.
Confirmed. Temperature and humidity are within the optimal growth parameters.
As the pallet settles, a series of automated conduits connect to the individual containment units. This high-density vertical farm layout maximizes space. Automated conduits provide constant monitoring of CO.
The automated system ensures precise delivery of pre-measured portions. Infrared cameras
Controlled spectrum LED lighting simulates natural cycles, while the entire rack system slowly rotates on a
This phase is critical for stabilizing their temperament and preparing them for the final rapid growth phase upon reawakening.
Temperature steady at 32 Celsius. Humidity levels optimal.
Confirmed. Growth acceleration is stable.
The automated dispenser provides a fortified meal. The Rosy Boa's controlled feeding response is analyzed by the AI.
A compact, specialized robotic cleaner efficiently vacuums and replaces the soiled substrate.
Dozens of habitat units are simultaneously subjected to controlled sound waves and simulated motion.
This device records environmental conditions, providing evidence that the stable climate required for the Rosy Boa
Charina reinhardtii products are moved into the sterile cold storage via automated rails.
The AI-verified manifest confirms the total count and collective weight of the Rosy Boa specimens, finalizing all logistical
Awaiting confirmation on batch 23. Robot, proceed with automated sortation sequence B.
This high-level sterilization process is crucial for removing all biological contaminants and pathogens, preparing the peppers. The sterilized shed skins are fed into an industrial homogenizer, breaking the material down into a thick, viscous
The keratin slurry is rapidly transformed into a fine, light pinkish-brown powder by specialized infrared lamps.
The warm pellets exit the press and are immediately moved through a liquid nitrogen cooling tunnel. High-speed
Multiple labeled vials are packed into standardized, foam-lined cardboard crates. The Rosy Boa Charina reinhardtii biopellets are transported into a dedicated, climate-controlled warehouse.
The purity index exceeds 99.5%.
A batch of finished biopellets is subjected to non-destructive
Audit complete. Everything matches the manifest.
All right, seal it up and move it out.
AGVs move pallets of the secondary product towards the outbound loading area, ensuring rapid turnaround time for high-demand research.
A small, sealed sample vial from the current batch of Rosy Boa Charina reinhardtii biopellets is automatically
The digital refractometer measures the concentration of the dissolved Rosy Boa keratin solution, confirming its precise molecular weight and purity.
The bioprinter nozzle lays down a microscopic bead of the Rosy Boa keratin solution.
The data confirms the keratin's unique structural integrity.
And the biocompatibility results are exceeding our expectations.
The Charina reinhardtii keratin scaffold marks a significant leap in biomaterial science, guaranteeing both